Hi, I'm Tania from Vaucluse Bathrooms. We're here in Vaucluse to have a look at our recently completed project. Let's go have a look. We've renovated 3 rooms on this property, a master ensuite, a boys' bathroom and a girls' bathroom. The existing home has natural travertine floors, which we didn't want to step too far away from, so we've chosen a beautiful terracria tile from Di Lorenzo, which has a lovely earthy texture. Each bathroom has its own feature tile, and we've complemented each feature tile with a different colour tapware. In the boys' bathroom, we've got this gorgeous fez tile. You can see all the variations of blue, which adds a lot of interest into this space. In the girls' bathroom, we've got this gorgeous glass mosaic. It's a lovely pink, peachy tone, and when you look closely, there's a lot of texture in it. We've tied this with a gold tapware colour, which really complements that tile. The master ensuite, we stepped it up a notch to create a more luxurious space. We chose these lovely handmade Moroccan tiles, which tie in with the base colour of the terracria tiles. We've complemented this with a bronze finish in the tapware. These taps are from Sussex, they're Australian made, and they've got a really unique shape and colour to them. The vanity has a lovely texture on the surface. It's handmade, Australian made as well. The hazelnut colour goes really well with the bronze tone of the tapware. The edges of the vanity benchtop are curved, and we chose to complement this with the curved edge of the shower screen. You can also see here that we've got an oval basin and an oval shaving cabinet to match. A unique feature in this shower enclosure is a really deep recessed niche, and we've got a ceiling mounted shower rose.